11 of the Pacific's beauties have gathered to Papua New Guinea for the 23rd Miss South Pacific pageant from the 21st to the 27th of November. Beauty queens from American Samoa, Aotearoa New Zealand, Cook Islands, Fiji, Hawaii, Niue, Papua New Guinea, Samoa, Solomon Islands, Tokelau and Tonga have arrived for what will be a full-on week of showcasing the talents, attributes, intelligence, culture and tradition of young Pacific Island women. The pageant aims to facilitate an empowering process of personal development in line with each contestant's personal and professional goals and aspirations. Miss Niue, Maria Misimisi and her supporting team are now in Papua New Guinea, ready to take up the challenge. This week's program sees the contestants in press conferences, visiting churches, hospitals, schools and animal sanctuary gardens, photo shoots, float parades and more opportunities to win over the hearts of the crowd. The high caliber of contestants this year will make for tough competition. The final pageant night will be held on Saturday the 27th and online voting has also now opened. Interestingly enough, a former Miss South Pacific and Miss Niue, Vanessa Marsh, has also made her way to Papua New Guinea as one of a panel of judges for the pageant. And those are our news stories that we have for you this evening. We do hope that you'll join us again for our next news bulletin on Thursday. Pena hatatolo te valatal tutupu ke lata MFF nei, amna ke lidiu ke matutak he nei, ke he te valatal tutupu he afi afi atuloto. Ke anonofwa, munene po ato lidi wa tutulu ke whelewea.